This is gallium. It's a brilliant, shiny metal that can melt into a gel-like liquid right in the palm of your hand. While it's perfectly safe to touch, what would happen if you actually put this metal in your mouth and swallowed it? How toxic is gallium exactly? How much of it could you consume before it becomes dangerous? And what weird side effect would it have on your farts? Here is the breakdown of what happens to your body if you swallow gallium. Gallium is a bizarre substance. Just look at how it completely disintegrates an aluminum can, or the messy residue it leaves behind after you play with it. So, what would this stuff do inside your stomach? At room temperature, your piece of gallium would likely start out as a solid. However, the moment you put it in your mouth, your body heat would cause it to liquefy instantly. You'd immediately notice a sour, intense metallic taste. The melted metal would turn into a thick paste, coating your teeth, tongue, and throat in a silver stain. Once you manage to force it down into your stomach, you might wonder why you feel completely fine. That's because in tiny amounts, gallium isn't toxic at all. In fact, our bodies already contain about 0.7 milligrams of it. It doesn't help or harm us. It just gets absorbed through drinking water or traces on fruits and vegetables. If you stopped there, that tiny bit of gallium would just pass through your digestive tract like normal food. But that doesn't mean you should eat it, and we definitely don't recommend it. If you decide to consume more than a tiny trace, things take a very dangerous turn. A larger amount of gallium will trigger a violent reaction with your stomach acids, creating a highly dangerous compound called gallium trichloride. To put it into perspective, eating about 140 grams of gallium reacts with your stomach acid to produce over 300 grams of gallium trichloride. This compound is highly lethal to rats, and in these quantities, it is just as deadly to humans. Furthermore, this chemical reaction generates massive amounts of hydrogen gas. The immediate byproduct? Highly flammable burps and a severe case of extreme flatulence. While dealing with highly flammable gas, and extra farts sounds bad. Passing gas would actually be the least of your worries. As the reaction intensifies, you would experience severe throat irritation and major difficulty breathing. This isn't caused by the gallium itself, but by the toxic gallium trichloride your stomach just manufactured. Soon after, agonizing chest pains would set in. Even worse, the toxic fumes produced inside you are incredibly hazardous. They cause excess fluid to rapidly build up in your lungs. These fumes can also trigger paralysis, leaving you completely unable to move. Trapped and unable to breathe, you would quickly pass out from oxygen deprivation. Without immediate emergency medical intervention, you would most likely die. Fortunately, it doesn't have to end this way. Let's keep gallium where it belongs, in fun science experiments and occasionally melting in the palm of your hand. And if you think gallium is wild, liquid mercury is another metal we definitely shouldn't be messing with. But that's a story for another time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.